Today's at-home workout is my 15-minute full body workout, and as your qualified trainer, Lucy Wyndham-Read, I've put together some of the best moves for you. So it's a HIIT style workout. I'm going to show you high impact as well as low impact, so this is suitable for everyone. All the moves are standing and no equipment. I'm going to include your warm-up, your workout, your cool-down, and this workout is going to get you so many benefits. We basically tick every single box. So if you're ready, let's get started. So we're going to start with a quick warm-up. This can take about 45 seconds, so just follow along. We'll just start with a few of these little knee bends, and the point of this is just to increase your core body temperature. That's good. And now we're just going to take it reaching across, just punch one arm from one side to the other, a little toe tap. And this just helps mobilize through your joints before we do the workout. And now let's just take it to a knee lift. Extend both arms up. That's good. And well done. And now just give me these big sunshine arms and really add a little bend through the knees. We're just making sure we've got all your joints properly mobile. And we've just increased your core body temperature just so we get the best results from your workout. So we're going to start with the workout now. I'm just going to show you a quick preview of the first move. So just watch. This is the first move. You just march on the spot. You've got your just little hop from one side to the other. On the left is high impact, or you can follow on the right for low impact. So let's start. If you're doing the one on the right, just give me a side step with a little knee bend, draw the arms in. If you're following on the left, just give me that hop and jump. So you're just landing one foot, then propelling from one side to the other. So the timer bar in the middle represents 40 seconds. That's how long we're going to be doing this move. You've got 12 moves in total, no repeaters. And then we do a little bit of light recovery for 20 seconds. All right, so let's just keep going. We're going to keep going until we've reached the top of that timer bar. And well done. So now we're going to do 20 seconds. Now you can either just stick with a light jog or you can just march on the spot, but take a deep breath in, deep breath out. And we'll have a look at the next move coming up. So the next one, if you're following on the left, is a straight leg kick with arm raises. Or if you're following on the right, we're going to do a toe tap with arm extensions. So this is move 2 of 12. And again, the slightly lighter option is on the right. If you want the more intense version, follow on the left. And this one here is really good to work through the core muscles as well. So keep the tummy muscles pulled in really tight. So we're engaging those deep abdominal muscles. And this one is a great full body move. Extend the arms up, kick that leg out, keeping that going. That's good. Nearly at the top on that timer bar. All right, well done. So bring it straight back now. Either take it to that light jog or just march on the spot. Land nice and softly. Deep breath in, deep breath out. So next move coming up, you've got your skater's lunge on the left. You can do it with the jump, or on the right, you can just do it where you tap the foot behind. You choose. So move 3 of 12. Let's just keep that going. So just think what you and I are doing right now is we're investing in your future health. You're looking after your heart health, your bone health, your joint health, your metabolic health, and your mental health as well. So let's just keep going. And we can do this all for free at home, no equipment, just using body weight, the safest way to train. That's good. And if you're following on the right, so you're just stepping that foot behind, but really exaggerate drawing that arm over, because that's really going to work through the waist and through those abdominals, having that good full arm extension. All right, so let's bring it straight back now. Either your march or your jog on the spot. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. So this is a little bit of light recovery. So we're taking the intensity slightly down before the next move. So you've got an option. You can do these leg kicks in front, then do 4 power squats, or you can do leg kicks and simple squats without the jump. So you choose. If you're following on the right, just make sure those knees don't come over the line of the toes, and then you're just taking that to that gentle kick in front for 4. If you're following on the left, You're going to really put some power through those kicks, keep the upper body straight, and then power up with those 4 squat jumps. Make sure you land nice and softly. That's good. Well over halfway on this move. So let's just keep going, keep thinking about the benefits. And both these moves are great for your bone health, your joint health, metabolic health, heart health, everything. All right, well done. So we are at the top there now on that one. That's good. You know the drill now. Bring it back to either light jog or march. Make the most of the room you've got so you can walk around the room. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Next move's a really fun one. We're just going to pretend we're skipping, so you can either do it low impact or high impact. And if you're following on the right, just really exaggerate the move that you would do with your arms if you were skipping. But be sure to keep that upper body nice and straight. If you're following on the left, you can do those little pulsing jumps. Just keep going. And also, if this is something that you really want to do, get fit, I've got a brand new challenge. It's completely free. It is not an app. It's an instant download. You can download it onto your phone, computer, whatever, iPad. I don't even need an email. It's instant access. It's a 30-day challenge. It looks at nutrition, motivation, hydration, gratitude. Everything's really fun. So you can give that a go. Right. So let's just bring that back, march that out or jog on the spot, keeping that going, and we'll have a little look now at the next move coming up. So for this one, we're going to do it where you're going to just simply kick the leg in front. So we do 2 kicks in front, then you reach the fingertips down to the ground. That's the harder option. 2 kicks, then fingertips down to the ground as you take that leg behind. If you're following on the right, you're doing knee lift, then hamstring, hamstring. That's good. So choose the one you want. The one on the left is very challenging for balance. So if you're not good with balance, just perhaps work on the one with the right and build up to it. Or if you want to try it, make sure you've got a hand on the wall. All right, that's good. Keep that going. And every time you do this workout, you will notice you are getting fitter and stronger. That's good. And well done on that one. So again, let's bring it back. You know the drill now. Again, just take that to that light little jog or march. And if you need to, you can grab some water. So next move coming up, we're going to do 2 star jumps, and then you tap one foot back, then the other. If you're following on the right, the low impact, it's a half star, and then toe tap behind. So again, choose. You can either do it with the jump or without the jump. And this is move 7 of 12. So we're well over halfway, doing really well, keeping that going. So jump that out and back. That's good. So again, this one here, if you think about it, it's another full body move. We're using your arms, working your shoulders, you're working your hips, you're working your legs, we're working through the abdominals, we're working everywhere. And that's why in these short workouts we can get so many incredible results, because we're working multiple muscle groups all at once. All right, well done. And now let's just bring that back now to that march or that jog on the spot for me. Land softly. And let's have a look at next move coming up. So we're doing 4 power punches, then 2 side jumps is a high impact. If you're following on the right, you're doing knee lifts consistently, but we're changing the punching arms from in front to then above. So it's sets of 4, and then you can then punch the arms directly up, and then you punch them back in front. If you're following on the left, you're doing 2 side jumps and then 4 power punches. A really fun move. You know, and think of exercise as fun. You know, it doesn't have to always be about doing burpees, doing planks. It's about thinking outside the box. And that's my job as your qualified online trainer. I've been teaching for over 25 years. My mission is to just create the best and the most effective workouts that people want to do for a lifetime. All right, that's good, because exercise, as I always say, is medicine. So next move, let's now take it back to either your light jog or march on the spot. And we all know how good we feel once we've exercised. We feel so energized. So next move's a really fun one. I call this the netball jump. So simply just imagine you are playing a game of netball and you're going to shoot that ball into that goal post. So you're going to step wide and then jump. So you do a lateral step and then just shoot that goal in. and keep going. So if you're doing the low impact, this one's really good for a little bit of balance. You're doing that calf raise, reach up tall, then take it to that deep side step. And if you're following on the left, we're doing that power jump, side step, power jump, keeping that going halfway through on this one. That's good. And step that wide, reach it up, step it wide, reach it up. And the nice thing is with this workout, you could do this with a friend. So if you've got someone that's a beginner or advanced, the nice thing is you can get a group of people doing this workout. So let's take it back now, your 20 seconds, just march or jog that on the spot. That's good, and keeping that going. So next move coming up, we're into that deep lunge, or we're just going to simply do a knee drive. So just choose your position. So if you're doing that lunge, we're just going to stay on that one leg and you just drive it up and then coming back. If you're doing it on the right, just with that one, just really power that knee up. So it's like as if you're about to start running. And now let's change legs. So this one here is really good for your lower body. And just pull those arms in if you're doing it on the right. If you're doing it on the left, just really extend those arms up, a full swing. That's good. And this one here is really going to help improve your flexibility, especially through your hips as well. All right, that's good. Let's bring it straight back now to either your light jog or march on the spot. Keeping that going. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Just this is your really lovely recovery time. And next move coming up, so we're going to go sets of 4 with your arms. So we're alternating from pushing your arms directly above to then in front. You're either doing it with a march or a jog. So don't forget, the challenge is a really lovely one. And the idea is you've also got 30 days worth of different free workouts. They're all home-based, all standing, no equipment. All right, that's good. Keep going. So just pushing the arms in front, then above. So you're either doing it with a jog or just doing those high knee drives. That's it, nice control. Upper body stays nice and straight. Use your core muscles, those abdominal muscles, to help with balance and stability. Nearly done on this one. Drive that all the way to the top with that arrow. All right, so let's bring it back now. Again, light little jog or marching on the spot just for 20 seconds. And then we'll have a look at your next move coming up. So for this one, it's 4 knee drives and then 4 V jumps. So it's knee drives, or you're just going to step the knee up and then side steps. Now this is the final move, so let's go for gold. So if you're following on the right, you're just tapping the foot out to the side for 4, then alternating 4 knee drives. If you're following on the left, it's these 4 real powerful knee jumps and now 4 V jumps, and take the arms out. That's good. So you're halfway through. Let's keep going. And then we're going to take that straight to a nice stretch. So you've nearly finished. Give me 100%. You are doing really well. You are going to feel amazing after this workout. Last little bit till that arrow reaches the top. Keep that going. All right, well done. Okay, so what I want you to do, we're now going to take that to a cool down. Deep breath in, deep breath out, jog it out. But when you can, start bringing that slowly back to a march. And if you want to take longer on the cool down, you can always press pause if you want to grab some water. Deep breath in, deep breath out. So what we're going to look at doing is now taking that into a stretch. So I said, if you want to, hit pause if you need longer. So when you're ready, we're going to step 1 foot behind. Just feel that stretch through the back of the lower leg. So this is your calf muscle. It's really important you do these stretches. Stay with me until the end of the video, because this is how we prevent injuries. What we're doing now is we're realigning all your muscles. So step that opposite foot back. This also will really help improve your posture, and also it makes you more flexible. And it's really important, flexibility. It actually also really opens up our arteries and our veins, so it's very good for our heart health as well. So let's do a hamstring stretch. I'm actually going to show you from this side. Really dig your heel into the ground, toes are lifted, and on that leg that's straight, feel that through the back of the upper thigh, through your hamstring. Hands are on the bent leg. And now let's take that to the opposite leg. and again. Heel digs into the floor, toes lifted. And as your qualified trainer, I've been teaching for over 25 years. I've always been on a mission. Use the wall if you need to for balance, for this quadricep stretch, supporting knees bent, to teach people about health, because health is everything. Nothing else matters if we don't have our health. Change to the opposite leg, and on my website I've got so many useful blogs about sleep, hydration, how to cut down on sugar, how to eat a healthy diet. So you can find that at lwrfitness.com. Everything you need. Take those arms in front. Plus I've got over 20 different existing challenges, from my walk fit at home to indoor running workouts. There's everything, something for everyone. Also, if people are limited mobility. So well done. Let's just feel that stretch through the back of your upper arm. And remember, as I always say, we've just done the most important thing. You and I have just invested in your future health. And there you go. That is your workout complete. There is your high five, and I will see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.